Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Job Central Hub. Today, we are diving deeper into some fantastic job opportunities, not just where they are, but what you need to land them. We've got the essential skills breakdown for each role, helping you tailor your applications and sharpen your expertise. Let's get started. Kicking things off, we have an exciting role at CGI for a Gen AI developer in Bangalore, Karnataka. If you're looking to step into the future of AI, you'll want to be proficient in Azure Cognitive Services, Azure OpenAI, Azure AI, Python, NLP, Databricks, AI/ML DevOps, C/CD, Cloud Architecture, Linux, SQLite, and Oracle ODI. This is a powerhouse role for a cutting-edge technologist. Next, let's explore opportunities with Cognizant. For the .NET developer role in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, key skills include .NET, ANSI SQL, Medicare claims, Medicaid claims, application development, database management, software lifecycle, and code review. A solid foundation for a seasoned developer. If you're a sharp business analyst they're looking for in Bangalore, Karnataka, you'll need expertise in SailPoint Identity IQ, RSA Awexa, Java, JavaBeans, SailPoint API, XML, RESTful Web Services, JDBC, Oracle Mississippi SQL Server, Maven, Git, Jenkins, API, Access Governance, Access Certification, IAM, and IGA. A comprehensive skill set for a strategic thinker. For the systems engineer position also with Cognizant in Chennai, Bangalore, be ready to showcase your knowledge in Linux administration, RHEL, SLES, CentOS, Bash, Python, system monitoring, Oracle Enterprise Linux, network protocols, security configuration, and automation scripting. Perfect for those who love building and maintaining robust systems. And for the Palarian consultant role in Pune, Maharashtra, you'll need to be well-versed in Siemens Palarian, ALM-PLM integration, Palarian template configuration, workflows, work items, Java, J2E, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, XML, plugin development, dashboard implementation, and ALM infrastructure setup. A specialized role for an experienced consultant. Moving over to Movate, they have two interesting roles in Hyderabad, Chennai. For the network security engineer, L2, prepare to demonstrate skills in SSL/TLS, VPN, IPsec, GRE, firewall, IDS, IPS, HTTP, SMTP, FTP, DNS, DHCP, DNS, DHCP, TCP/DM, Wireshark, Fiddler, LeadUp, Sungler, Tufar, MFA, Linux, Unix, and pack files. A crucial role for safeguarding digital assets. And for the video content quality reviewer, you'll need a keen eye and skills in video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Video QA tools, AI-based visualize certain tools, color grading, audio syncing, proofreading, digital compliance standards. A creative and meticulous role for multimedia professionals. Now, let's talk about Dell Technologies. For the inside sales representative in Hyderabad, Telangana, key skills include sales communication, inbound lead management, product knowledge, tech, CRM tools, needs analysis, and customer engagement. If you're a driven sales professional, this is for you. And for the software engineer too in Bangalore, Karnataka, they're looking for expertise in C++, BIOS, BMC, embedded systems, operating systems, networking, AMI Mega RAC, agile development, firmware development, and AI servers. A robust technical role for an experienced engineer. Finally, with Deloitte, we have a Selenium automation engineer role in Bangalore, Karnataka. The essential skills for this position are Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, Junit, PyTest, Maven, Jenkins, Git, and REST API testing. A fantastic opportunity for automation specialists to join a global consulting giant. Visit https://jobcentralhub.com for more details and daily job alerts. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable career content. Let us know in the comments which role caught your eye or if there are specific skills you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your career journey. See you next time.